Go.
Welcome. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to cut a piece of timber. Okay, so with a ruler, you'll hold it flush on the end and you can feel that with your finger. And then we're going to mark 100 millimetres. Alright, having done that, we grab our builder's square. Okay, so that angle in there is square. Now we make sure that we put this piece hard against the piece of timber and the ruler part flat on the piece of timber. Draw a nice line across. You only need to do it once and so you can just see it. Then we go down the face too, and we'll also put one down the back. Okay. Now, remember what we were saying before about clamping the timber down? Okay, that's what we're going to do with our clamps. We'll just clamp that down to the bench. Clamp those up. These clamps work with a lever action here on that silver part, and then we can tighten it up with those. Okay, now with the saw, the grip that we use, it's called a pistol grip. Okay, and it gives you a bit more control of the saw, the length of the saw. Now to start off the cut, with your thumb high up on the blade of the saw. So if it jumps out, it's not going to catch it. Okay, if you've got it down low and if it does jump, it can jump over the top of your finger. Alright, so we keep our thumb up high. Now to start the cut, you don't have to put too much pressure on it. Okay, let the saw do the work. Now, I can do that with 2 fingers. Alright, that's all the pressure you've got to do. Now, when we start our cut, we're right. Now, the saw, I'm looking over the top of the saw, down on my marks that I've put there. My elbow and forearm and shoulder are all in line with the saw blade. Okay? Nice, easy stance, comfortable stance. And then we can start cutting. Just occasionally we'll go over the top and see how we're looking. Now the last little cut, if you just let the timber fall off, you'll put a big chip along the back of the timber. So what we're going to try and do is grab it before it does jump over, before you finish the cut. Okay? And that's how we cut a piece of timber.